My people, free Nnamdi Kanu protest that is coming on 20th of October has taken another dimension. As it stands right now, they say that the group of Hausa Forum don't call, Hausa youth don't call for total release, immediate release of Nnamdi Kanu. Everybody is speaking out in Nigeria with his platform, asking the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu now, because Nnamdi Kanu cannot be used in 2027 as a tool against the Igbos come 2027 election. Please, I want you to watch the full videos of what people are saying, and before we go come back, continue. But again, letter what we see yesterday, I'm more explain to now wetin dey happen for that letter. What posted it as in a picture. This is not the one Amadi where they call Wokoko, where they call Udele Nerioso. That one we don't use Igbo finish in life for Abuja. You don't come outside, go write the DSS, you know, say criminal and the enemy of enemy na padi. May notice they like am. So he go write them, say that no one made the release Nnamdi Kanu, and they want do counter protest against the people where they seek for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. But a message don't come to them. Some people don't reply, and some group don't reply and tell and say may no be say he want use himself as a sacrifice on the way that very day. My people, you go read though. Stay tuned and watch the whole videos for I want play for you here.
Salam. This is from the National Association of Northern Nigerian Youths to His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu concerning Chief Nnamdi Kanu. From the north, we are saying, set Nnamdi Kanu free. Let Nnamdi Kanu be pardoned. If Boko Haram will be pardoned, kidnappers who have been giving people sleepless nights, terrorists who have been terrorizing a lot of people in different parts of Nigeria will be pardoned. Why can't you pardon Nnamdi Kanu? This is our request. This is our plea from the north. Your Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we believe you can do it. You are our president. We voted for you, and we believe you can do this for us. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Let there be justice in Nigeria.
My brother, I have seen what you said is not true. I was with Nnamdi Kanu yesterday. We had a very fruitful meeting, and they have been making the offers. They have been making the offers for him to withdraw the agitation. Of course, you know Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is not that kind of person. So I was with him. We stayed for more than 3 hours yesterday. So there is nothing like that. Nobody can force him. Nnamdi Kanu is committed. He's dogged. If Buhari of all people was unable to intimidate him, is it Tinubu that to intimidate him? Nobody can intimidate him. Of course, they asked him that he should withdraw the agitation of Biafra so that they will release him, and he said no, he cannot. So that is just it. So just ignore that one. Thank you very much.
Please, I just want to give you the way they operate. How they operate is that they are going to sponsor some persons here, and the persons will start discouraging you people, telling you the reason why you should not come. Now, we have informed them. They said that we should bring a letter informing them where we are going to start, telling them the date, telling them the place we are going to cover. So we have submitted the letter. They are aware to give us security. Now, you also know that what they normally do is, when they see that you are working towards positive way of getting Nnamdi Kanu, they will sponsor some persons, I don't say, in the social media and physically to discourage you. Please don't allow anybody to discourage you. Now, so now, I get me proud. I got one abroad sabotua. So when you get this chicken, but I put on. Then all one leg on Lagos, you have to mobilize what they are. All one leg on the child, don't mobilize what they are. Yes. Somebody said, and anywhere they are. Why we are saying this thing is this. And from the show, they told you something. That place they call it Kaiji. If you hear that there is one of their brothers they arrested, die in any part of the state in the east, the person is not dead. They take them Kaiji in Wawa in Niger State. That place is another one altogether. The worst of it is that when we go to court, file action in court, get judgment, they will not obey. They will not obey because my dear brother, the time to fight it is now. Yes. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Yes. It's now. It's Nnamdi Kanu today, maybe another person tomorrow. Yes. I can tell you, I can comfortably tell you about 20 persons I have filed their matter. They are still there. If you go there, see how we are own brothers, not in absolute, they don't, husband and wife, please, let us make it a reality. Thanks and God bless you. Time.
Important message to you this morning regarding our dear brother, the alpha male himself, Nnamdi Kanu. On that note, I'll turn over to Mr. Showore. Thank you.
Let me greet everybody in the digital way of greeting Ndebo. Cha 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 igbo kwenu. Cha 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 igbo kwenu. Question. That's the digital way. We are here not to waste your time because we don't have time anymore. We have actually run out of time, but they are lucky we have not run out of patience yet. We are here to give you the good news that Nnamdi Kanu might be on his way to freedom. But we have one more step to take. You know, those of you who are Christians, you know the wall of Jericho. Yeah. When it was about to fall, there was a command that we must march around it. And that is what we are doing on October 20th. That wall of Jericho that has been keeping our brother away from freedom, we want to take it down. Amen. By marching on Aso Rock Villa on Monday next week. We have decided that nothing will stop us on that day. And what we are doing today is a mobilization and awareness and conscientization for that day. And we are here to plead with you to come with us. We are here to plead with you to take a break on Monday, even for a few hours, to join us so that we can have the mass movement. It is what Bob Marley calls Exodus,
Exodus.
Yes, movement of the people. Exodus, movement of the people. And this time, this is the last lap to the promised land. That is why we are here. We are not here to eat, drink, or dance. We are here to ask for just one thing. The hashtag is MNK October 20. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
Ụmụnne asị onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya nche. Ọ na-eche ndụ ya nche. Ya ji na-ekwu okwu ahụ unu mana 20th of October the sacrosanct.
Yes, sir.
All the sacrosanct.
Yes.
Maka the protest, peaceful protest, peaceful.
Yes.
Protest and agreement for the release of Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes.
Mana enwere ihe m chọrọ igwu unu. Onye ya na ndị iro na-eri ya na ekwensu na-erikọ ihe. Ọ na-eji ngaji ogologo. Protest a wo international protest. Enwecha ndị isi abroad na-abịa agbadata Nigeria. Ọbụna ihe Showore kwuru. The convener of this protest will Showore.
Yes, sir.
All Showore is an international protest.
Yes, sir.
Or the IPOB protest. At all. Or the IPOB protest.
Yeah.
And when you got fly a flag that day.
Yes,
and when you can fly a flag. Get with a flag. Lay fire everywhere. And when you do to I try Mokwadagi there brandish way color uniform. Red, blue, red, black, and yellow. And when you do to onye Igbo ọbụla na ahụ vida achọrọ ka ịtụsasị ya
Asigi bia me toss. Emekwala. Onye sigi me toss emekwala.
Ọkụkọ ọhụrụ nga na-abụ ọkwa ya na-achị ọchị. Abọcha ọkwozu ewere ọkụkọ mezuo.
Enwe ndị sigi bia me toss. Onye my people na-ekwu. Sigi bia me toss to fight against ndị na-aga ime protest. Emekwala. Maka na information anyị na-enweta na-awụ ị ga-ahụ ndị ga-apụta to be anti-protesters. A ga-akpọ gị dịka ka ị wụrụ tọg so that protest, peaceful protest showere haziri maka anyị niile ma ndị Igbo ma ndị Hausa ma ndị Yoruba ka ha bịa mebie ya ka isi gị baa ya. Ekwekwala ekwela aflayela kọlọ nkwuolu ya emene gịnị aflayela kọlọ
ụmụnne ka anyị were uche na-eme n'ihe a
ka anyị were uche mee ya o
ka anyị were uche ọ tọrọ nwa ma ya mara a tọrọ nwa ofeka
ọ wụrụ na ịhụ anyị
I have said that the federal government of Nigeria, they are using Nnamdi Kanu to tempt the Igbos. They are using him for politics to see what we can do. By the time we're here, they'll say, you see, why not wait? Now, should be the matter is in court. This one that have already sentenced, you are releasing them. This one that people are saying, leave him like we left others, you said no. Is that not asking the people from that area, what can you do? We can hold your son as much as we like. Nothing will happen.
So who then will blame those in Katsina, the 12 communities in Katsina now that
signed agreement with terrorists for protection? Yes, now.
Who would blame them?
They are not a government of their own over there. Mr. Moses, in part of the north now, terrorists are holding, that is full government, full. The collectors, they decide who will pass on the road and who will not pass. In fact, they run the life of those people over there. They run their life. You can't do anything without passing through them. Nothing. You pay tax on daily, weekly, and monthly basis. And government just look the other side. In Nigeria. In Nigeria. But tell me, if IPOB had gone this far in infamy, mention any place in the whole of Southeast where IPOB is behaving like this. No place. But they will call them name in order to hang them. Look at what is going on in Nigeria. Meanwhile, we are reforming. We are reforming Nigeria. Nigeria should be getting better instead of getting worse. We are reforming Nigeria.
As a matter of fact, I never knew that he would still be here. We will still be talking about his incarceration today. Because the way I was looking at it at that time, with the coming in of Bianca Ojukwu and the rest of them, I thought it was going to be a fait accompli. But unfortunately, here we are, and it's been adjournment upon adjournment. I was discussing with my friend this morning when I looked at his appearance on video. I said, this man is obviously not a happy person anymore. He's just trying to play the way Mandela was playing to the emotion of the people of South Africa. When Mandela was released, and a journalist, I think from BBC or I can't remember the stable, asked him, I said, was there any time you were afraid of for your life? He said several times. He said each time he appears in court and is being taken back to prison, he feels dejected that it may just be the last opportunity of seeing the outside world. And that, but each time he looks back and see expression of hope in South Africans, particularly the blacks, that he will raise his clenched fist and smile. But it doesn't distract from the fact that he's not comfortable where he is. Only Nnamdi Kanu would know how he feels.
How he truly feels.
You know, to be incarcerated, not seeing your children, not seeing your wife, not seeing your immediate family, not even your extended family in the last 4 or 5 years. Only Nnamdi can feel it.
All right.
And so that is the more reason why we should find a way. There could be still be political solution, but not grandstanding.
All right.
My people, I beg you to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as you dey read.